Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Remainder. Remainder means part, number, or quantity that is left over. For example, leave a few mushrooms for garnish and slice the remainder. Leave a few mushrooms for garnish and slice the remainder. Synonyms: residue, balance, remaining number.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The remainders have been classified in 3 groups. Now, repeat after me. The remainders have been classified in 3 groups. The second exempli. The remainder is owned by processing giant, Dairy Crest. Now, repeat after me. The remainder is owned by processing giant, Dairy Crest. The third exempli. The remainder is owned by the 3 Dublin doctors. Now, repeat after me. The remainder is owned by the 3 Dublin doctors.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.